Hi everyone, here I'd like to go over the rules of indices, and this will be revision of stuff that you've done in previous years. So when we have two things with exponents or indices timesing together, we simply add those indices together. So that would be x to the power of a plus b. So looking at this example here, y squared times y to the 8 would be y to the power of 10. Conversely, when we're dividing things with indices, we subtract the powers. So for this example here, where we have 2 to the 15 divided by 2 to the power of 13, that would be 2 squared. And if we didn't have to write it in index form, that would just be equal to 4. When we have powers of powers, that means that we multiply the powers, so that would be x to the power of ab. So for our example here, that would be y to the power of 21, and by definition x to the power of 0 is equal to 1, and so we can look at that example in detail in class, but essentially you can take any number you like, and if you put it to the power of 0 it's going to be equal to 1. So let's look at these further examples, and you probably will want those rules in your notes somewhere, but let's look at these further examples. So this first one, timesing the numbers together, we'd have 12, and then adding the indices, we'd have x to the power of 10. For number 2, we'd have 5 squared, which is 25, and then we'd multiply the indices to get x to the power of 16. For number 3, we would deal with the top first, so we'd have 2 to the power of 3, which is 8, and then we'd multiply the indices to get x to the 21. And so because we've got x to the 21 on the bottom as well, they would both cancel out to leave just 1. And for this one here, 15 divided by 3 is 5, and we have more x powers on the bottom, so that would be over x to the power of 5. And we can, if we like, write that as 5x to the negative 5. That is equivalent, but I would prefer it if you wrote it in that form there. So there's several examples to have a look at here, and just do a few out of each so that you get an idea of what I am expecting. Thank you.